Institute of Technology, BSc CSIT entrance examination model question, full marks 100, time 2 hours. Mathematics is of 25 marks, physics 25 marks, chemistry 25 marks, English 15 marks, and GK 10 marks. Attempt all question. Mathematics. Marks 25 into 1 equal to 25. Question number 1. A sentence x plus 7 equal to 5 is A. False statement, B. True statement, C. Not a statement, D. A statement. Question number 2. If P and Q are non-empty sets and P subset Q, then A. P subset Q bar, B. Q bar subset P bar, C. P intersection Q equal to 5, D. P contains Q. Question number 3. If mod x minus 3 equal to 7, then x equal to A. Curly bracket 10 minus 4, B. Close bracket 10 minus 4, C. Curly bracket minus 8 4, D. Open bracket 10 minus 4. Question number 4. Root minus 1 is A. An integer number, B. A prime number, C. An irrational number, D. A complex number. Question number 5. The range of function fx equal to root over 9 minus x square is A. Half open bracket minus 3, 3, B. Close bracket 0, 3, C. Open bracket 0, 3, D. Curly bracket 0, 2. Question number 6. The function fx equal to sin x plus x is A. Even function, B. Period function, C. Odd function, D. Neither even nor odd. Question number 7. If x, y, z are in AP, then A. X plus y equal to z, B. Y plus z equal to 2x, C. X minus z equal to 2y, D. X plus z equal to 2y. Question number 8. The determinant of the matrix A equal to minus 3 is A. 3, B. Not possible, C. Minus 3, D. 0. Question number 9. If x minus iy equal to 5 plus 2y whole square, then xy is A. 21, 20, B. 21 minus 20, C. Minus 21, 20, D. Minus 21 minus 20. Question number 10. If in a triangle ABC, the angles are in AP, then angle B equal to A. 30 degree, B. 45 degree, C. 120 degree, D. 60 degree. Question number 11. The area of a triangle ABC is A. 2BC sin A, B. BC sin A, C. Half BC sin A, D. Half AC sin A. Question number 12. Equation of a line perpendicular to the line 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0 is A. 3x minus 2y plus 7 equal to 0, B. 2x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0, C. Minus 3x minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0, D. Minus 2x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Question number 13. The two lines represented by x square plus 4xy plus 2y square equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other for A equal to A. 0, B. Minus 2, C. 2, D. 1. Question number 14. Equation of the tangent at 3, 4 to the circle x square plus y square equal to 25 is A. 3x minus 4y equal to 25, B. 3x plus 4y equal to minus 25, C. 4x plus 3y equal to 25, D. 3x plus 4y equal to 25. Question number 15. The unit vector along the vector 3i plus 4j is A. I plus j, B. 1 upon 5 3i minus 4j, C. 1 upon 5 3i plus 4j, D. 1 upon 5 I plus j. Question number 16. The scalar product of two vectors 3i minus 4j plus k and 3i plus 4j is A. 6, B. Minus 7, C. 0, D. Minus 7i. Question number 17. The probability of getting an even number while rolling a die is A. 0, B. 1 by 3, C. 1 by 4, D. 1 by 2. Question number 18. Limit x tends to 3, x cube minus 27 whole upon x minus 3 equal to A. 3, B. 9, C. 27, D. 0 upon 0. Question number 19. The value of x for which dy upon dx equal to 0 for y equal to x cube minus 3x square are A. 0, 0, B. 0, 2, C. 0 minus 2, D. 0, 3 by 2. Question number 20. If y equal to e power log x square, then dy upon dx equal to A. 2x, B. yx, C. 2x upon y, D. E power log x square. Question number 21. The point of inflection of y equal to x cube minus x square is A. 3, B. 0, C. 1 by 3, D. 1. Question number 22. Integration 0 to 1 3x square e power x cube dx equal to A. E minus 1, B. E, C. 0, D. E cube. Question number 23. Area bounded by x-axis and the curve y equal to x square and the line x equal to 0 and x equal to 4 is A. 64, B. 16, C. 16 upon 3, D. 64 upon 3. Question number 24. If fx equal to x square plus 5, then the approximate value of f dash 2 with x equal to 0.1 is A 6, B 4.1, C 4.2, D 2. Question number 25. If two forces P and Q, P greater than Q, are acting at a point of a body in the same direction, then the resultant force is A P minus Q, B P plus Q, C P into Q, D Q minus P. Physics. Max 25 into 1 equal to 25. Question number 26. A quantity x is related by x equal to pi by 3 into a square minus b square into h, where a, b and h are lengths. Then quantity x is a length, b velocity, c area, d volume. Question number 27. A vector is multiplied by minus 2, then a direction reverse and unit changes, b direction reverse and magnitude is double, c direction remains unchanged but unit changes, d neither direction reverse nor unit changes but magnitude is double. Question number 28. A stone is dropped from a height of 45 m. The distance traveled by it during its last second is A 5 minutes, B 10 minutes, C 25 minutes, D 50 minutes. Question number 29. A projectile is broken into two pieces at maximum height. Then its A momentum increases, B momentum decreases, C kinetic energy increases, D kinetic energy decreases. Question number 30. Jet plane is based on the conservation of A mass, B energy, C linear momentum, D angular momentum. Question number 31. Which of the following possesses highest viscosity? A water, B blood, C glycerin, D honey. Question number 32. The graph of kinetic energy Ke of a body versus velocity V is represented as in figure A, B, C, D. Question number 33. A mass M is attached with two identical springs as shown in figure having frequency F. If one of the spring is removed, then frequency will be A F, B 2F, C F into root 2, D F upon root 2. Question number 34. A metal sheet has a circular hole in it. When it is heated, diameter of the hole A increases, B decreases, C remains unchanged, D first increases and then decreases. Question number 35. The mean free path of a gas varies with pressure P as A P, B P power minus 1, C P power minus 2, D P square. Question number 36. A body initially at 100 degrees centigrade in 5 minutes and to 40 degrees centigrade in 10 minutes. The temperature of the body at the end of 15 minutes will be A 35, B 30, C 25, D 20. Question number 37. Light of wavelength 550 nm falls normally on a slit of weight 22 into 10 power minus 7 m. The angular position of second minima from central maxima will be A 14.5 degree, B 42 degree, C 30 degree, D 62 degree. Question number 38. The variation of the intensity with wavelength at different temperatures as shown in the figure will be A T1 greater than T2 greater than T3, B T1 greater than T3 greater than T2, C T2 greater than T3 greater than T1, D T3 greater than T2 greater than T1. Question number 39. A completely transparent material will be invisible in vacuum when refractive index mu is A unity, B more than unity, C less than unity, D infinity. Question number 40. For a convex mirror, the variation of U and V is given by figure A, B, C, D. Question number 41. Sweetness of sound depends upon its A wavelength, B periodicity, C periodicity and regularity, D amplitude. Question number 42. A parallel plate capacitor is changed and the charging battery is then disconnected if the plates of capacitors are removed further apart by means of insulating handles. A. The change on the capacitor increases, B. The voltage across the plate increases, C. The capacitance increases, D. The energy stored decreases. Question number 43. The equivalent resistance between the points X and Y is A 10 watt, B 20 W, C 30, D 40. Question number 44. A magnetic needle kept in a non-uniform magnetic field, it experiences A torque but not a force, B neither a force nor a torque, C force and a torque, D a force but not a torque. Question number 45. A source of 34B and 50SZ is connected in series with coil of 17 mH and resistor of 10 watt. The potential difference across the coil is A 12V, B 16V, C 28V, D 32V. Question number 46. A strong argument of particle nature of cathode rays is that they A. Produce fluorescence, B. Travel through vacuum, C. Get deflected by electric and magnetic fields, D. Cast shadow. Question number 47. When objects placed in a room are exposed to X-rays, they appear A. Invisible, B. Yellow, C. Blue, D. Red. Question number 48. Which series of hydrogen atom lies in the infrared region? A. Lyman, B. Balmer, C. Pfund, D. S alpha. Question number 49. When boron is bombarded by neutron alpha particles are emitted, the resulting nucleus has the mass number A 11, B 7, C 6, D 15. Question number 50. The p-type semiconductor, the majority and minority charge carriers are respectively A. Protons and electrons, B. Electrons and protons, C. Electrons and holes, D. Holes and electrons. Chemistry max 25 into 1 equal to 25. Question number 51.
The weight of sodium carbonate required to prepare 100 ml of its normal solution is A 0.53 gram, B 5.3 gram, C 0.053 gram, D 5.6 gram. 52. The concept of pH was introduced by A. Arrhenius, B. Lewis, C. Bronsted, D. Sorensen. 53. The rate of a chemical reaction increases with A. Increase in particle size of the reactants, B. Increase in temperature, C. Decrease in temperature, D. Decrease in concentration of reactants. 54. A spontaneous change is one in which the system has A. An increasing in internal energy, B. Lowering of entropy, C. Lowering of free energy, D. No energy change. 55. Which of the following is an example of transition metal? A. Cobalt, B. Potassium, C. Magnesium, D. Silicon. 56. Which of the following compound is called blue vitriol? A. Copper oxide, B. CuSO4, 5H2O, D. CuCl2, D. Cu2Cl2. 57. Silver is extracted from its sulfide ore by A. Contact process, B. Downs process, C. cyanide process, D. Ostwald process. 58. 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid 2,4-D is generally used as A. herbicide, B. insecticide, C. fungicide, D. none of the above. 59. A class of organometallic compound of magnesium with the general formula RMgX, where R is an organic group and X is a halogen atom, is known as A. Tollens reagent, B. Nestler reagent, C. Schiff reagent, D. Grignard reagent. Aldehydes can be distinguished from ketones by A. Failing solution, B. Concentrated H2SO4, C. Grignard reagent, D. Pyragallol. Picric acid is obtained by nitration of aniline, phenol, benzene, benzoic acid. 62. Which of the following compound is used as an anesthetic? A. Ethylene, B. Ethyl alcohol, C. Chloroform, D. Acetylene. 63. Aromatic carboxylic acid is A. Formic acid, B. Acetic acid, C. Stearic acid, D. Cinnamic acid. 64. Which of the following compound is called urea? NH2CO NH2, NH2COO NH4, H2 NNHCO NH2, or H2NCO NHC2S5. 65. Ethylene reacts with alkaline KMnO4 solution to give glyoxal, oxalic acid, ethanoic acid, acetic acid. 66. IUPAC name of acetaldehyde is A. methanol, B. propanol, C. ethanol, D. butanol. 67. Which is the most toxic chemical forms of mercury? A. Hg, B. Hg2 2+, Hg2+, D. CH3Hg+. 68. The number of molecules in 32 gram of oxygen is A. 6.02 into 10 power 23, B. 6.02 into 10 power 9, C. 3.2 into 10 power 23, D. 3.2 into 10 power 16. 69. The outermost electronic configuration of chromium is A. 3d44s2, B. 3d54s1, C. 3d54s2, D. 3d64s2. 70. Which of the following has the lowest ionic radius? A. O2, B. Fluorine ion, C. Aluminium ion, D. Sodium ion. 71. Which of the following hydrogen halides has the lowest dipole moment? A. HF, B. HCl, C. HBr, D. HI. 72. The value of universal gas constant R in SI unit is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole, B. 5.314 joule per Kelvin per mole, C. 3.501, D. 8.314. 73. An example of acidic oxide is nitrous oxide, nitrous pentoxide, nitrous dioxide, aluminum oxide. 74. The ionic character in HX bond is highest in A. HCl, B. HBr, C. HF, D. HI. 75. Which of the following compounds is called magnesia? MgSO4 7s2o, B. MgCl2 6h2o, C. MgCl2, T. MgOH2.
English marks 15 into 1 equal to 15. 76. The word adjunctor gets its prime stress on A. First syllable, B. Second, C. Third, D. None. 77. Pick out the word or group of words which has nearly the same meaning as the word headland. A. Highland, B. Flatland, C. Promontory, D. Marshland. 78. Pick out the word or group of words which has nearly the same meaning as the word remarkable. A. Good, B. Astonishing, C. Commendable, D. Notable. 79. Pick out the word or group of words which has nearly the opposite meaning as the word pompous. A. Showy, B. Wealthy, C. Convincing, D. Humble. 80. Pick out the word or group of words which has nearly the opposite meaning as the word reciprocal. A. Obstinate, B. Unilateral, C. Mutual, D. Imaginary. 81. Writing with correct spelling is read A, B, C, D. 82. Choose the correct word order in the expression. Read A, B, C, D. 83. Believe that God is nature. A. Henotheism, B. Polytheism, C. Pantheism, D. Deism. 84. Choose correct preposition for the given expression. For a week she lived banana and milk as she believed the prescription of her doctor. A. At on, B. On in, C. In on, D. On. 85. Choose correct preposition for the given expression. I am scared, lost, my business but keen, gambling. A. In, of, on, B. On, in, of, C. In, on, of, D. Of, in, on. 86. Pick out the correct phrasal verb for the expression. I was the son of sailors and stories of the sea. A. Reared on, B. Reared up, C. Brought on, D. Put on. 87. Pick up the correct phrasal verb for the expression. When does school for the summer vacation? A. Break out, B. Break up, C. Break off, D. Break in. 88. Give the exact meaning of the idiomatic expression. Bright and breezy. A. In very sad mood, B. In very active mood, C. In a cheerful mood to do things quickly, D. In decisive mood. 89. Give the exact meaning of the idiomatic expression. Go by the board. A. Plans discontinued and abandoned, B. Plans in action, C. With a new plan, D. No plan for some time. 90. Use the correct conditional expression in the expression. You must go tomorrow. You are ready or not. A. If, B. Even if, C. Unless, D. Whether. Computer related GK. Marks 10 into 1 equal 10. 91. MS Word is an example of A. An operating system, B. A processing device, C. Application software, D. An input device. 92. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the A. Compiler, B. Loader, C. Operating system, D. Assembler. 93. By default, your documents print in mode. A. Landscape, B. Portrait, C. Page setup, D. Print view. 94. Control Shift and Alt are called keys. A. Modifier. B. Function. C. Alphanumeric. D. Adjustment. 95. Storage which store or retains data after power off is called A. Volatile storage. B. Non-volatile storage. C. Sequential storage. D. Direct storage. 96. What are the four things needed to connect to the internet? A. Telephone line, modem, computer and ISP. B. Modem, computer, PDA and ISP. C. Telephone line, modem, computer and PDA. D. Computer, ISP, modem and communication software. 97. Which process refers to the starting up of a computer and the loading of the required parts of the operating system into the RAM? A. Booting. B. Tagging. C. Sweeping. D. Mapping. 98. In the context of a Word document, the term gooter stand for A. The blank page inserted in between two filled pages. B. The space left on the left side for rough work. C. The space between two paragraphs. D. The space left on one side for stitching and binding. 99. Programs stored in ROM are called as A. Fireware. B. Firmware. C. Firmware. D. Firmware. 100. Select the correct statement from the following statement. A. MS Excel creates workbooks and each workbook may contain more worksheets. B. A worksheet in MS Excel 2000 package has a maximum of 256 columns and 65,536 rows. C. Columns are identified by a number and rows are identified by a letter. D. Cells are identified by the column letter and the row number. Option A. ABC, B. BCD, C. CDA, D. ABD. यस्तै गरी बीएससी सीएसआईटी इन्ट्रान्स सम्बन्धी अन्य भिडियोहरू तथा बीएससी जनरल साइन्स तर्फको इन्ट्रान्स सम्बन्धी विभिन्न भिडियोहरू र बीएससी फर्स्ट इयरदेखि फोर्थ इयरसम्मका जुनसुकै विषयका प्रश्नपत्रहरू चाहिएमा वी लर्न टुगेदर वान एमको लिस्ट बीएससी मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खोज्नुहोला र आफूलाई चाहिएको क्वेसन हेरी प्रिपेरेसन राम्रोसँग गर्नुहोला। वी लर्न टुगेदर वान एम भित्रका सम्पूर्ण भिडियोहरूलाई लाइक, कमेन्ट, सब्सक्राइब र सेयर गर्दै जानुहोला। धन्यवाद।